Right, this is my solution to Paul McWhorter's Raspberry Pi lesson number 12. I'll just tell you about my my breadboard. Button there is increased brightness, button there decreased brightness, and then the LED there, red, green, blue, all self-explanatory. And then in order to be able to see the colour of the LED, there we have, oops, need to move it so I can get to all the buttons. That's just about okay. That is the eggshell for my breakfast. Right, we'll start and run the program. Right, first of all it asks if you want to use standard colours, you know, standard notation, 0 to 255 or percentage. So we will do it with standard. Right, nothing's happening because I haven't done anything. Right, so if we press the red button properly, right, it tells you the current brightness is 0 and you can input a new value. So we will put in 255. Ta-da! It's red. Then if we press the keep the down the minimizing button pressed, and we can slowly, but it's very slowly because it's on the 255 notation, you can reduce the brightness. Or if you just press the red button by itself, it will tell you that its current brightness of 245. If you just press enter like that, it will stay 245. But if you do it again, you can enter another one and make it kind of about half brightness, 125. Then you can press the blue button and put in 125. You can press the green button properly, 255, and you can see that it is showing the brightnesses of the colours. So if you hold down the increase button and then the blue, you can get it to go up and up, and equally if you press the keep the increase button on the red, you can get it to go up. Green can't go up, so you can go down. Then, oh, that's because I took my finger off the increase button. So now the green brightness, you can go 0, and then you can press the two little buttons at the same time and it'll go off. Right, if you run it again, this time if you put in P for percentage and you just press the blue button, and if you put in any number higher than 100, it just prompts you to enter a number. So you can put in 10, that's a little on. Then you can hold down the increase button and press blue, and you can see the numbers are going up gradually, up, 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 but that's too slow. So if you just press blue without it, you can go to 100. Then you can press two buttons at once, which might work, might not. Red and green, no, that wouldn't be great. I'm just pressing red and 100. Then you can press the decrease down, down, down. You can see the numbers going down. Press the green button properly. Right. If you just press enter, leaves it unchanged. Then to turn it off, press both buttons together. There we have it.